Hello, today I will explain the step-by-step process to apply for Gruha Lakshmi Scheme, which provides 2,000 monthly financial assistance to women heads of families in Karnataka. Under the Gruha Lakshmi Scheme, the government of Karnataka gives 2,000 rupees every month to women who are heads of their households. This money is directly credited to your bank account through DBT, direct benefit transfer. To apply for Gruha Lakshmi Scheme, you must be the residents of Karnataka, and this scheme is for women and of your family. Have a valid Aadhaar card, have a bank account linked with Aadhaar card, not be an income taxpayer. Family should not already receive similar benefits under other schemes. Documents required. You will need these documents while applying: Aadhaar card, ration card, bank passbook or account details, and mobile number linked with Aadhaar card. How to apply online. Now let's see the step-by-step application process. To apply online, first of all, go to Google and search Guarantee Scheme Karnataka and click on first link, official Karnataka government link, and click on Gruha Lakshmi and click on this link. If you are new for this site, first of all, register to this site. Fill all the credentials and click on submit. After that, enter mobile number and click on get OTP and enter OTP and enter this given number and click on submit. Here, click on apply for services and click on view all available services. You will see Gruha Lakshmi or search on search bar Gruha Lakshmi and click on it. It will redirect you to form page. Enter your mobile number and name, applicant name as per Aadhaar properly, which is in Aadhaar. Same spelling should be here and enter district and submit your photo. Choose file of your photo and enter ration card number, education level, and enter taluk. And click on I agree, enter number, and click on submit. If you have any doubt on regarding this, please ask on comment. I will reply to you. After submission, your details will be verified by authorities. Once approved, you will start receiving amount of Gruha Lakshmi every month directly in your bank account. Thank you.